Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing audio routing and a TTS client. Open Vrchat and the TTS program side by side. In the TTS app, pick a voice and set its output to the virtual audio cable you plan to use. Then go into Vrchat's audio settings and change your microphone input to that same virtual cable so Vrchat hears the TTS. Once done, test with a short phrase in the TTS app and confirm audio meters in Vrchat Move, making sure levels are not clipping. Now configure how you'll send text to speak. If your TTS app supports hotkeys, bind one for sending the current clipboard or type text. This makes it fast while in World. Adjust rate and pitch to avoid unnatural robotic tones and keep volume slightly below your microphone so you stay dominant in chat. If you want both mic and TTS to go out together, use Voicemeter to mix inputs. Set Voicemeter output to the virtual cable Vrchat uses. Make sure latency is low and test with a friend. Finish by doing a full in-world test. Join a private instance and trigger several TTS messages while watching if other users hear them clearly. Make sure to mute your physical mic when TTS speaks to avoid feedback, and adjust spatial audio settings so TTS appears from your avatar if desired. If you encounter problems, first verify the virtual cable device is selected in both the TTS app and Vrchat. Then check output permissions and restart the TTS app. That one check solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.